Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove an app from the app library. It is pretty simple to do. You're just going to select it for a very long time and press delete app. Now, if that still does not work, you are going to open up the settings tab here. And I'm just going to scroll down until I find, where is it? Screen time. So open up screen time. Do not open up general. You are going to go down until you find the app limits, set time limit. Actually, you're going to go to content and privacy restrictions here. And then you are going to select the iTunes and App Store purchases. As you can see, it says store purchases and redownloads. Under deleting apps here, like this one here, you're going to press allow if you're on the don't allow button so that you can actually delete the app from your app library on your iPhone. So make sure you select allow. If you press don't allow, this is what will happen to your app. You cannot delete it from your phone, and you cannot delete it from your app library. So again, go to the settings tab here. I'll just show it to you guys one more time. Go to screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions here. Go to the iTunes and App Store purchases, deleting apps, and press allow. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. It is super simple to do. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Again, don't forget to turn on the notification bell button so you don't miss one more video from our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Bye.